So in this video, we're going to go through how to find the course shells for GT1000 Summer 2021 in the Commons. So to do that, go ahead and log into Canvas. Once you're in Canvas, you're going to go to the Commons to find the shells. Before you import the shells, it's important that you know what course you're going to import into, so you can either import it into your official course or preferably a sandbox. So I have this sandbox that I have just created now. And again, you can create a sandbox by going to account and clicking on sandbox me, and then just go ahead and create the sandbox from there. So I'm going to be importing the course here into the sandbox. If you go ahead and look at this course right now, it is completely blank. There's nothing in here. So we want to put content in this class. So to do that, what you're going to want to click on is Commons, which is down here in the blue menu on Canvas. So go ahead and click on Commons. And when you click on Commons, it will show you all the courses that you can import that are in the Commons, which is like an open site for classes and various modules you can import. So GT1000 are actually the first two right now, but in case they're not and you need to find them, you can just type in GT1000 right here, and then it'll pop up a lot of different course shells. The ones for this summer are labeled as Summer 2021. There's one for remote courses and there's one for residential courses. They're slightly different. The remote courses have some discussion boards and some other things. So I'm going to go ahead and import the remote shell. So go ahead and click on that. And that brings you in here. It'll also give you a preview of what's in this shell as well. So you can kind of look at an overview here. So once you've decided you want to copy it, then you're going to click Import Download. And from here, you have to select the course you want to import it into. So if it's a sandbox, you can do that, or if it's your official course, you can do that. I'm going to put it in the sandbox I just created, which is this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click Import into Course. Once I've done that, I'll get this notification at the top that I have successfully started the import. It does take a few minutes before it actually imports into the course you chose, so you'll need to give it a little bit of time. So next we'll go to the dashboard. And we'll scroll down to the class I just created and imported. So that's this class. As you can see, it's not yet in there. So we'll wait a few minutes and then we'll refresh, and then I'll show you that it's imported. So we've waited a few minutes and have refreshed the page, and now you can see that the content from the Commons has been imported into the sandbox. So you can go ahead and click on the course and you'll see that now what was a blank course now has all this content imported. Remember that if you want to make changes, you can do that by unpublishing things and moving things around. You'll also need to update the highlighted things in yellow, but that is how you take content from the Commons and import it into one of your courses.